girl Rissa J, and yes, I'm back with another wig review. Thank you for joining. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so right now. And if you haven't liked this video already, go ahead and like it. What are you waiting for? Don't forget to watch the full video. And if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Now, this lovely unit I will be reviewing is by Dashley.com. Not Dashley.com, I'm sorry. By Dashley. I ordered her from wigtypes.com. She is in Sensational. So you know that feel with sensational hair is kind of like that yucky. You know, the density isn't too, it's thick, but very human-like. So let's get right into this video, you guys. I have her in a color 613. She does come with a bang. This is how she looks. I have her in the color 613. Very flowy. I would say she's sort of like a bob. This is a full unit, so there's no lace or anything like that. She comes with 2 combs, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I don't use the straps because my head is just big enough. So the wigs, most of my wigs fit like they should. So let's see what she look like, y'all. Let's see what she look like. Like I said, it is big hair friendly, so you shouldn't have a problem if you got a big forehead like I do. It shouldn't be a problem for this unit to fit like it should. Just kind of pull her back a little bit. And comb her out. I think she real pretty, y'all. I think she look really, really, really pretty. And the fact that she's fully 613, there's no highlights, no ombre, none of that. Like, she's fully 613. This is how she looks up in the top. She's like got a little closure. I think it's real cute. I'm gonna show you guys how she looked in the back, on the side. And show you how she looked in the back. Now, I did say she's kind of like the previous unit that I reviewed. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. But nothing different really about this unit. I love the pattern that she's in. Let me just comb her out some more. But I think she's really pretty, y'all. So like I said, not much to really review on this unit. Just the fact that she's fully 6'13" and she's a bob. I think she's real pretty, y'all. So you guys comment down below what you guys think of this unit. I will have all the info on this unit in the description. And if you haven't followed me on my social media, go ahead and do so. On my Instagram at itsmissy_j, and add me on my Snapchat, juicy_lil. And remember, the simple things are your blessings. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all, my missus, in my next video.